What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. Age is just a number. Well, there's someone who proves it right every single time. The one and only Talivar, superstar Rajnikanth. The movie Darbar is out and is a visual treat to all his fans. I'm just awestruck at what he has been doing at this age. Man, hats off, I'm a huge fan of him. Who isn't? You guys know I love figurines. In fact, I have unboxed a custom done Chitty 2.0 figurine when the movie 2.0 was released. Well, this time Talivar is back in an all new cop look, and oh boy, he sure looks damn smashing. I was looking to add a nice figurine of him in his police avatar from the movie to my collection, but frankly it was nowhere available unless custom done at that moment. 3D printing is a bit expensive. That's when super folks from a company called Selfie Miniature contacted me and said, "Hey Shan, don't worry, let us surprise you with something amazing," and drop this surprise package at the studio. Selfie Miniature is a company based in Chennai specializing in custom 3D printed figurines. They literally turn anyone, anything into an awesome figurine. Well, let's open and see what I have in here.
सुम्मा सर, उन्हें बोल दीजिए पुलिस के लेफ्ट से निकलें, राइट से निकलें, सामने ना टकराएं।
Aditya Arunachalam.
Oh boy, seriously, what a smashing, awesome looking 3D printed figurine of Talivar in his cop avatar from the movie Darbar. Frankly, the details took me by surprise. His face, uniform, sword, chair, fantastic. This is his iconic pose from the movie where he puts down some baddies and coolly sits in a stylish way. Don't want to spoil but couldn't resist but say a fantastic shot from the intro. It's approximately 5 inches in height and is made of ceramic. Fully custom designed and 3D printed by the amazing folks at Selfie Miniature. If you ever want a custom done figurine of yourself or your loved ones or your favorite characters, just contact them. We'll leave a link to their site in the description. And they ship throughout India. Custom figurines can be a great gift. I'm sure this will be a masterpiece in my collection. So that's it for this super quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just smash that like button. New to Tekshan, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon as I have awesome videos lined up for you all. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then,